Lesson 9. Planning your implementation. You've chosen your health and safety software. Now it's time to plan for your implementation. Do you know the biggest mistake organizations make at this stage? They treat it like a simple tech install, but in reality, depending on your organization, it may be more of a culture change. That's why planning is essential, not just for IT and your safety teams, but for your people, your sites, and your processes. Before you dive in, make sure you ask your chosen software provider, how does the onboarding work? What's the typical go live timeline? And who supports us post launch? Once you have those answers, you can begin planning your rollout. A strong rollout starts with the right project team, bringing together people from across your organization, such as a project lead, often a safety manager to keep things moving, IT support for integrations and security, operational representatives or frontline teams to ensure the system works well in the real world. Next, create a clear timeline, break it into phases: preparation, configuration, testing, training, and full launch. Assign responsibilities and key actions for each stage, and be realistic. You don't want to rush through anything. Communication is crucial. Before launch, explain to your teams what's changing, why it matters, and what's in it for them. Consider early engagement too. For example, invite a small pilot group to test the system and share feedback. Their experiences can help fine-tune your approach before going live. And don't forget support. Set up resources from day one, whether that's a help guide or a direct contact for troubleshooting. It's important that your end users feel supported through the process for maximum engagement. Some software providers will offer end user support via a help center with knowledge base articles. When users feel supported, engagement and adoption naturally increase. A well planned rollout isn't just about switching on new software, it's about giving people the confidence to actually use it.